Good morning, traders, and welcome to Daily Call today, Friday, this 2nd of March. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened overnight. And from the US, we had Fed Chair Mr. Jerome Powell testifying, and we also saw the manufacturing numbers come in at 60.8, which was strong, but also an unscheduled announcement from President Trump. Um, Basically, it changed the tone of the markets, and although we had positive data overnight, we ended up having a dollar weakness across the board. So that was the reasons for that. Locally in Australia, we had private capital expenditure come in at negative 0.2%, much worse than the forecast. The Aussie dollar did tank at the time. It dropped a good amount, but then later recovered due to that US dollar weakness, which happened across the board. In the UK, we saw the PMI number come in pretty close to the forecast at 55.2, a much narrower trading day for the GBP USD, even though with that US weakness across the board. All right, now time to have a look at our chart of the day. Incidentally, yesterday's chart of the day, the candle, the Euro USD candle today, spoilt the chart, so there's nothing triggered. So today's chart that I have found is a USCAD on a daily timescale, and as you can see here clearly, I'm showing you a level of a resistance. We are approaching that level again, so just because we're there, it's not good enough to trigger a trade. But let's wait and see what kind of price action develops over the next candle or the next two candles, and hopefully we may be in an opportunity to trigger something in the reversal back down. So add that one to your hot list, US CAD on a daily timescale. Okay, what's coming up in the news today? We have at 8:30 this evening, we have PMI construction numbers from the UK. At 9 o'clock, we have Governor Carney will be speaking, for the Bank of England in the UK as well. And then after midnight from Canada, we have GDP numbers which are due out. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you all on Monday for the Daily Call. Bye for now.